check. We are back, right? We should be back. Okay, let's keep going with c6, d5 here. Let's play g6 again. I think we're back, but I'll double check in a second, you guys. Okay, logical. Now I can obviously take if I want. I think I'll just go here, knight d7, knight b6 maybe. We are back. Okay, let's go b5, knight b6, knight c4 with the hook. Wins are +2, so I'm just gonna play blitz until we have Arena Kings starting in about 30 minutes. It's a3. Okay, so I think I'm gonna play a5, idea b4 here to hit the knight. Knight guards a8. I think I'll go here, maybe trade, maybe e6 next move. Because if he ever castles here, there's a very quick attack on the queen side. So yeah, it goes there. Let's go knight d7. Just making sure f5's not really a threat here. Okay, I'll go h5. f5 takes, queen h4. Should be okay, but we'll see what he does. I can also still try to castle queenside down the road too, which is also possible. She smiles. Could have played f5 too. That could have been interesting. He goes g5. Wow, what a move. Okay, now I should be very happy because now the king side is closed. I can always castle. I can play b4, knight c4. What is this? Wow. Okay, this guy's crazy. We should get a quick win here because now I just castle and king side is completely closed. So it's just great. I'm just up a piece here for nothing. I always liked watching you play. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, this is just great for me. It's just a matter of correct play. Let's go a4. So b4, I get knight c4. Let's go here, pressure the pawn on c2. I'm going to reroute the bishop and the rook at some point, like maybe here. Let's go... I'm not even sure which square is best, so I'm just going to go to d8. I can go to either d8 or e8. I don't know which one's better, so I'll just put it here. e8 may be better because it targets a knight, potentially, whereas d8 doesn't target, but it's what it is. The main thing I need to do here is reroute the pieces. Like, my knights are not great, so I need to get rid of this horse on b5, maybe knight e6, knight e7, maybe knight c6. At any rate, I should win this game pretty soon. Oh, bishop b4 is actually a very good move. Ash, not have allowed. Let's take. Just take. I guess I'll take and play knight c6. I don't love what I've done here. I'm still probably much better, but it's not great. I have knight c8, though, to force the knight off. Let's go here to force the knight out. If I get the knight to f5, I just win the game, because these pawns are all terribly placed. Should just be winning here for me. Takes... Rook c8, b6 not clean, so let's just take and kick the rook out. He resigns.